Hello there, my name is Khan. I'm from the United States, and this is my wildcard for the GBB 2026 Loopstation category. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. Now that's crazy.